Hey guys, Jamie Caldwell here with Elite Motorworks. Behind me is a Mercedes-Benz ML164 chassis. The problem is it won't come out of park. The ISM is faulty, so we're gonna have to find a way to get it in neutral so we can push it either into the shop, we can push it onto a lift. Sometimes you guys will need to be able to get it on a tow truck or for transportation. We have a tool that's just for that from Bomb Tools. I'll show you how it works. Let's go. Okay guys, here it is, the tool. It's Bomb Tools, part number B164-0363 plus. I'll put the description in the bottom. This is for BMW F Series and newer, and of course Mercedes-Benz, as I'm showing you here in this example with the 164. You can see the different thread pitches in the two bolts, so you need to determine which one it fits your application. You want to line it up with the stud on the car and make sure that it's right. Here I'm showing you a little bit of the tool and how it looks. It fits in between the wheel and the hub of the car. So the freewheeling adapter, what it allows the rear wheel to do is just spin freely. So when it spins freely, now you can move the car. So obviously you want to chock the front wheels so the car doesn't roll away. You're going to remove the wheel. You guys don't need me to show you how to remove the wheel, but for video purposes, obviously you want to jack the car. One thing that's going to be very important is make sure you use a jack stand. Do not rely on just the hydraulic jack. Okay, now the wheel has been removed, so now you're going to grab one of the lug bolts and you're going to line them up with one of the bolts in the kit. Now there's two bolt sizes like we talked about earlier in the video. This one here, if you line up the threads, you can see that they're different thread pitch, so that's not the bolt we're going to use. As we line up the other bolt, you'll see that the thread pitch matches perfectly. So the black bolts are the ones we're going to use on this car. And as you screw them into the hub, there's like a recessed area for the bolt to go in so it will not interfere with the wheel on the car. Okay, now you've got the bolts hand tight, it's time to torque them. Make sure you torque them to 80 Newton meters. Then you're going to use a wheel hanger. If you have the wheel hanger tool, use it. If you don't, then the car will usually have one with the toolkit with the spare tire. A little tip here is to make sure you put it at the 12 o'clock position. It's just an easy way to do it when you're lining up the wheel to the car. You're going to put the lug bolts in here. There's no need to torque the wheel because you're not going to be driving the car. So you just want to, right here, I put them hand tight and then I just go back with a ratchet and I'll make sure that it's tight, it's snug. And from there, you can roll the car and put it where you need. I hope this video helped you. If you need some more information on the tool, you can click on the link that I provided for you below. Thank you very much. Have a great day.